体验一下大马的生活，是想体验一下国际学生一样的不同的学习氛围。
因为 UMS 是一个非常漂亮的学校，就是它在整个东南亚国家里面是数一数二非常漂亮，所以我就想来这边体验一下这边的生活。学校跟 UMS 一直保持着就是良好的沟通，然后有合作，然后我们的老师也非常推荐我们来 UMS， 说这里有最美的图书馆，然后来到这边发现，老师同学都很善良，很热情。
Studying at UMS is the beautiful campus and the people over here. They're very, very helpful and very friendly. Like when I came here, I was confused about a lot of things, but whenever I asked someone for help, they would help me immediately.
Kami pilih UMS ni banyak sebab antaranya sebab dia more to nature. Jadi like senang healing kan, orang bilang kan kalau stress tu.
This is a hard question because I think the language problem is the most difficult part in UMS because I joined some classes but they only provide in Malay. Luckily I have some senior to help me and also my mentor so nice to help me to find a way to solve the issue so I can overcome it, but for your student maybe UMS can improve the issue I feel.
Actually, my brother studies here, so once I graduated from high school, at first I was looking for another unit, but then he suggested me to join UMS and he said many compliments about it, so finally I decided to come to UMS.
From my perspective, I think if UMS want to attract international students from different countries, because if I see now from Pakistan very few students, maybe 5 or 4. So if UMS want to attract more, not only from Pakistan, other countries, and I think UMS get the representative from all countries, like one representative from Pakistan, from India, from Bangladesh, and then all the students come through from that representative.